Ito kami sa Rotterdam, mamamasyal, kasama Mama Kulit at Magugulo. Jacob! Jacob!
Say hi! Shreya! Shreya! Shreya!
Saan ba tayo papunta, Jess?
Right now we're going to the Cube House.
Cube House.
Where the roof are cubes. And then we're gonna go to Mark Hall, where there are different European and Asian food.
Oh, kainan.
Yeah. Yes.
Yes, talaga naman. Pag si Jessie, kainan to.
In the cube.
Let's go.
Let's go. Let's try the Coke. Sobrang anghang nito. So, ito yung Cube House ng Rotterdam. So, pupunta kami sa loob to
Magkano
check
bayad?
it out. 3 euros.
Per ulo.
Yeah, per head. Oh, and there are real people daw. I mean, talagang bahay siya. Residential house daw talaga siya. Hi bro! Welcome to your vlog!
Welcome.
For your vlog.
I saw her face like I thought I'm gonna be
Puragdan? Bakit sa... Bakit? Ang nangyari puragdan?
Ito pala yung Ali, come here. Ali.
Go, what's that? You like it? Yan, go out.
Ano yung nasa itaas? One more. Ha?
Wala nung view dapat.
Teka lang. Tara na.
It's a real bedroom, Kuya, right?
This is a real house.
Yeah.
I thought it was a real house.
Tita Lenny, nagbano na. Nag-retouch na.
Okay, kapit kayo dyan. Oh, Lee, where have you been?
Third floor.
Getting from here.
Yeah.
If you look out the window, you're gonna get terrified.
You like this house, bro?
Yeah.
Mag-picture tayo.
Mom, Dad, come and check the view.
Why? Is it scary?
Go out. It's super scary. Hold it very tight.
Hold
it very tight.
Oh, so high, Ollie. Are you scared? No?
I see a playground.
Playground?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, there.
Oh, look. Pig.
Olivia, this is
This is our house.
that's not yours.
You, what's your favorite color? Pink?
Oh, pink.
Wow!
I love our
Sabi ko na ba?
Medyo lumakas yung ulan kaya papatila muna kami. Susulitin namin yung 3 euro namin binayad.
Now going to the sa Cube House ulit, pero outside naman. There. Sabi dyan, a habitat to make you forget the word housing by Pete Blom. This is my masseuse. And the vlogger bro over here.
Ako, sakit na kayo dito. Picture na.
Just get it to your mom.
Our next stop is we're gonna have dinner. Naghahanap pa si Zuzi over there ng aming kakainan. Nagpapatila din kami ng ulan dahil ang lakas-lakas na ulan dito sa Rotterdam. Dahil sa area of responsibility ang hurricane. Kaya ayan, standby muna kami dito. Bye! Anong gagawin natin sunod?
Kami Chinatown, Chinese dim sum restaurant.
Chinese restaurant.
Saan yung saan yung malapit din yung takas?
Ano next?
Time check is 6 o'clock in the evening and tapos na kaming mag-dinner. Ngayon, hindi namin alam kung saan pupunta. Kasi, ayan, tignan nyo, nagkakagulo sila. Ayan.
Saan ba talaga pupunta?
Sa Ela, pupunta kami dun sa bridge. Pero 28 minutes walk. So,
Let's go.
and it's raining. Ito kasi we're making the most out of it. Kasi si bro, kumbaga sa teleserye ay kanya ang huling 2 linggo. Ito ang aming
Boat to save. Bro.
ito ang aming GPS driver, si Jara Carpio. Finally reached our destination, the Erasmus Bridge. Ayan lang siya.